Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if formal tone is not available. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by from where you can get started translating, and we also have the settings option to get started managing the settings of our application and how it works. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the issue where the formal tone option is not available. So basically guys, what we must first ensure is we are using a supported language pair and a supported platform. You're going to need a pro subscription as it's generally not required for basic formality switching, but if you have a pro version, you're going to have more languages available with the formal tone. So basically guys, supported languages are German, French, Italian, Spanish, Dutch, Polish, Portuguese, Japanese, and Russian. So if your language is not one of these, you're not going to have a formal tone, and you want to ensure your target language is one of the above. So the languages I have just showed you must be the target language you have selected right here at the bottom of the screen. If you have done that, then it's going to be available. So this is how to get started using formal tone. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.